create.
Sukiyaki. Sukiyaki. A traditional Japanese meal. It's been traditional since the 1860s, late 1860s, maybe earlier 1900s. And it's very delicious and easy to prepare. Let's start with the sukiyaki sauce. I have here a cup of mirin, 1 cup of mirin. I have, I say about half a cup of sake. You can put a cup if you want to. Let me add about 1/4 cup of sugar. And I'm going to add a cup of soy sauce. And I'm going to let it boil. I'm going to give it here until it boils, okay? So everything else I have is very traditional, with the exception of this vegetable that they use something slightly different. So I went with a replacement. I went with arugula, which is very similar to the vegetable that they use there. I had the same type of mushrooms. Although I cut them a little bit different, but it's the same type of mushroom. Shiitake mushrooms that they use. Green onion, brown sugar. I have some tofu, which they use too. And I got the Napa cabbage, which I'm going to cut. And I got some beef. This one is shaved. You can use a very thin slice too. Doesn't matter. Cut your cabbage. And actually, the tofu. Just some little squares or rectangles. Let me use a little bit of oil. It's about a tablespoon. What I'm going to do now is the beef. Should not take a long time. And what I'm doing with this beef, I'm cooking it. And I'm going to add some sugar, okay? Brown sugar. I have about a tablespoon here, but you're going to use as needed, okay? It's simple. Just prepare this meat. Mix it up with brown sugar. Let me transfer the meat. Once again, I just shred it. You're gonna use thin slices too. Let me transfer the stuff here. What I'm going to do now, I prepare some noodles, so I'm going to add them here too. In addition to the noodles, I have some cabbage. Let me add some cabbage here too, which I'm going to try to fit. I have some green beans. And I have some tofu. Here are the mushrooms. And I have my arugula. Now I could have put the sauce first if I wanted to, but I wanted to show you the combination on the greens and stuff like that. So I have my cup of the Sukiyaki sauce. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some water, maybe about a cup to dilute it a little bit, 3/4 cup, because you want it to dilute it a little bit, okay? Of water. I added some water. Just to dilute it. And I'm going to add the broth, which I could add it first if I wanted to, but I'm going to add it now. It's that simple. See how easy? And now you have a nice meal. Oh yeah. Some raw egg to dip it, going traditional. Get some of this meat, dip it here. And this is delicious.